Hi, good afternoon. So today I got this new Pokemon box. I saw it at the mall today. It was $14.99 and it comes with 3 booster packs and 1 Pokemon coin. So this is the first time I'm opening up one of these. I've opened up these multiple times, but I saw this and I had to get it. It's wrapped. Oh, it comes. It's a really nice box. It's the water type. So oh. There. That there. Okay. So it comes with Chilling Rain, Vivid Voltage, and Evolving Skies. Oh, it comes with a little coin. It's a pretty nice coin. I'll just set that there. So I'll open the Evolving Skies pack first, see what we got from this box. Green Toad card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm just gonna set the trash there. Shopping center, I've never gotten that one. Gotten these ones multiple times. Not that one yet. That one. I've had this one multiple times. And then Crystal Cave Reverse Hollow, which is really nice. I really like the Crystal Cave. And that's a neat little Pokemon. I've never gotten that one. But that's what came from the Evolving Skies. I'll just set these here. Keep them separated because these ones are gotta check every time. Okay. Sorry. Oh, white code card. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we get from this one. Okay. This guy. This guy. Ooh, I've never gotten this guy. This one's cool. Oh, I've never gotten this guy either. This one's cool. And that's cool art. Almost reminds me of the Great Sand Dunes. Little lizard on the Great Sand Dunes right before it's nighttime. Really good artwork. There's the Weedle. Okay. Oh, I got one more card. And oh, Zapdos. That's a nice card. I really like that one. Like a rainbow. That's a nice card. I'm keeping that for sure in my collection. And now, Chilling Range is the last one. Okay. Ooh, another white code card. Let's go. Okay, 1, 3, 4. Oh, I messed up. Okay. Yeah, I know I'm kind of mess up a lot, but first couple videos. Ooh, never had that one. Had those guys. Never had Lucky Energy. That's nice. I've never seen the artwork for this Ghastly. Ooh, I've never seen the artwork for this guy either. Little dog looking guy. And then I have that one. Oh, I like the artwork for this one. It's like a little donut. And then, ooh, I've never had this little guy, this little bear. Let's see, what's the last card? Ooh, oh, it's the doggy. It's this little guy. Still, the hollow's really nice. And Well, that's what you get in one of these brand new tins. So like and subscribe and have a great day.